Lord knows I'm hurting, and even though I take the pills, it's just not working. I try to drink it away, still feels like the worst thing I have ever felt in myself. I need help. Well, it was raining yesterday. I wish you would chase the clouds away. I don't like when the sky turns gray. I fucking hate it when it rains. I fucking hate it when it rains. Yeah. The pain's persistent, it's a shadow on my chest. I'm fighting demons daily, but I'm far from feeling blessed. The pills, they numb the surface, but the wound's too deep to heal. I'm drowning in the silence, can't escape the way I feel. I pour another glass up, but the liquor's just a lie. It fades the hurt for moments, then it amplifies the cry. I'm trapped inside the cycle, can't break free from the chain. The weight's too heavy on my soul, I'm sinking in the pain. I'm screaming out for shelter, but the walls just closing tight. The darkness keeps on calling, trying to steal my only light. I'm begging for a savior, but the echoes just repeat. The storm inside my mind won't let me find my peace. Well, it was raining yesterday. I wish you would chase the clouds away. I don't like when the sky turns gray. I fucking hate it when it rains. Fucking hate it when it rains. So I'm stuck here in the downpour, with my heart out in the cold, searching for a sunrise, but the night's got too much hold. I'll keep pushing through the thunder, even if it breaks my frame, 'cause I know I'll find the light again. Even if